contestants, Quentin Baker, Michael Jones, and Stephen. And last but not least, we have our host, Oliver Vincent. Woohoo!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the 1931
Game show.
Here we have Quentin, Michael's, Let's get on with the show. The first question. The day before the earthquake, the waves crashed up which street? Maniaputo Street. Sesame Street.
Emerson Street.
Congratulations, Quentin Baker.
Woohoo!
First question. Okay, second question. What day, time, year, and month did the earthquake happen?
3rd February 1931, 10:55 a.m.
1931, 4th February, 10:56 a.m. 25th of December 2013, 12 p.m.
Stephen, you did not win.
Oh man.
Quentin, you just won.
Woohoo! Go Quentin!
Let's get on with the third question. How many people died? Beep, Mal. 1. Mal. 256.
255.
Michael Jones, congratulations.
Go Michael!
Okay, now to the fourth question. A temporary shopping centre was built in Clive Street. What was its name? Beep. Mal.
Tin Town.
Lewis.
Mr. Whippy.
Congratulations, Quentin. You just won.
Woohoo!
Okay, so our question. What was the name of the ship with the soldiers on it? Beep, 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 beep.
The Veronica.
The kayak. The Endelva.
Congratulations once again.
Oh, come on, Michael!
Oh, goodness. The Daily Telegraph in Napier was printed each day. How many sheets were there?
6. Oh wait, 1 to me. Sorry. Where did I get 6 from? Oh,
1.
57. Nah, he just
Sorry, Michael
false.
Jones. Your second answer was right, but you said 6 at the start. Quentin Baker, congratulations.
Thank you.
One more win.
This game.
Okay, getting on to our last question. The park for the homeless was named Beep. Stephen.
Windsor Park. Nelson Park.
Napier Park.
Congratulations, Michael Jones.
No.
Where's my cat? And this brings us to the end of the show. Congratulations to Quentin Baker. Thank you, our crowd and host.
Do I